Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the world of peace. Today, I'm going to talk about a sneaky enemy among us, social media. Who here has caught themselves spending hours and hours scrolling through Instagram's feed or losing track of time on TikTok? Let's be honest, folks, social media is a true factory of procrastination. Have you ever been in a situation where you're fully focused on something important, but then your phone beeps, and you just can't resist? Just a minute, you say. And before you know it, 2 hours have passed, and what you should be doing has gone down the drain. And those notifications? Those little rascals know how to drive us crazy. You're there, trying to concentrate, and bam. The phone vibrates, the screen lights up, the notification blinks. It's like that gossiping friend who never leaves us alone, always craving attention. Hey, look here, there's a new photo of your crush. And just like that, your focus is gone. And the worst part is when you're in the middle of an important task, but social media beckons you with funny posts, cute kitten videos, or those memes that are so good you have to share them with everyone. It's a true trap for our productivity, folks. But here's the good news. There's a way to win this battle against social media. Are you ready? Get ready for the foolproof trick. Put your phone on airplane mode. Yes, that's right. Disconnect from the virtual world for a while and focus on what really matters. And if you want an extra tip, set aside some free time in your day to dedicate to social media, so you don't feel deprived of them. It's like a shock treatment, but it works. So, folks, let's take a break from the endless scrolling and focus on the things that truly matter. It's time to regain control, get back in the game, and rock it in the real world. Now tell me, who's ready to accept the challenge and face social media head-on? I know you can do it. Let's conquer the world together, without losing focus and with a great sense of humor. I thank each and every one of you for being here today. Until next time, and remember, social media is fun, but real life is where the magic happens. Big hugs, and I'll be here waiting for you for the next video.